Happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is going to be from February the 19th through February the 25th. So let me show you what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be doing an old movie. I love classic movies, and I love the movie Sabrina starring Humphrey Bogart and Audrey Hepburn. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So this is the paper that I found. I love this. I found this at Michael's, and I think this one might have been the one that was on clearance for 19 cents, probably a couple weeks ago. And this is the one that I did Edward Scissorhands in. But I thought this kind of complemented the elegance and almost like her dress she was wearing, and then his sophistication. And then I'm going to be using this washi. This is just a globe. And then these are just some little pink washi. I don't know if I'll use both, but I'm definitely going to be using these two, I know. And then I just have a Papermate pen from the Dollar Tree, and I made my own stickers. So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad everybody loved the Valentine theme that I did, because I really loved it. Okay, let's start cutting our paper, and I decided I want this to be the main dominant theme, so I'm going to cut this for down the sides. Okay, and then we're going to cut this. This sort of reminds me of the tuxedos that they wore. Okay, so let's put our paper down how we want it. I just love this paper. I think it is so pretty and feminine. All right, let's glue it down. Okay, I think that is really cute. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to put this washi at the bottom because it's much wider. And to me, this represented like the traveling that she had done and that they had done. Humphrey Bogart and his brother. I don't want to say a lot about the movie in case you haven't seen it and you want to watch it. I don't want to ruin it for you, but it is a good love story. Okay, now I'm going to take this and put this in right here. Oh, I think that looks really pretty. Okay, let me see. Do I want to put it down through here or do I want to put that? I think I'll just put this one right down through here. Oh, I think that is really, really cute. And I might even go down this edge with it too. I don't normally do that, but I think I will this time. Oh, I think that turned out really sweet. Okay, so now let me put in the stickers that I made. This just says Sabrina with William Holden and Humphrey Bogart. And here is Sabrina. She took cooking classes. So here she is right here. I'm going to put this right here. Like I said, I'm not going to say a lot because I don't want to ruin it for you, just in case you want to watch it. It really is a good movie. And here she is when she's back in town. And this is one of the brothers, William Holden, that notices her. And I'm going to put this right here. It's a tree she used to get up in when she was a little girl and watch their parties. And then here she is with Humphrey Bogart and William Holden. And here she's with Bogart in a boat. And then right here she's at this really good party. I'm not going to say anything else besides that. And here she is with William Holden. Put that there. And here's that dress that she had on that reminds me a lot of this paper. Let's see. I may put that one right here. I may put this one where Bogart is kissing her on the cheek. And here she is hugging Bogart, and she's very, very sad. And then here's Bogart when he's about to make a very big decision in his life. Oh, I think that's cute. Now let me write down some things that I need to do. Okay, let's put it back in our planner and see how this turned out. Oh, I really do like it. It gives exactly the feeling I was looking for. With her elegance and their sophistication, but she's a little bit naive. I really love this paper, and it does remind me of her dress here, and I love this washi, and I love my stickers. So here's how my spread turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.